Hey guys, welcome back. This is Naresh. So today we will learn about the plugin manager in Jmeter. So there is one jar file and you have to download that jar file on your computer so you can get a plugin manager. So I will show you where it is. But first look what is plugin manager. So if you go to option, there is an option called plugin manager. You have to just click on that. And in that there are three tabs given. The first tab will say install plugin. So it will show you all the plugins which are already installed on your computer. For example, if you click on this HTTP protocol support, so this is one of the plugin which is installed on the Jmeter, and this is something which we have used before, right? So we can give our path, we can give the IP address and everything. So this is one of the plugin. So if you want to install it, you just have to remove the check mark, and through here you can uninstall the plugin. If you want to install some plugin, then you have to go to the tab. There are many interesting plugins already given here. For example, that three basic graph, additional graph, and all other things. So if you want to add some more plugin into your JMeter, you can do through this window. But how you get this JMeter plugin manager? So for getting this JMeter plugin manager, what you have to do, you have to go to Google, and in Google you can just type JMeter plugin manager and hit on enter, and the first link you will get to a plugin manager. You just click on that, and in that there's a jar file given. Just click on this jar file and it will get downloaded onto your computer. Once it get downloaded on your computer, just copy this up, and now you have to place the folder where the JMeter is. So in the JMeter there is a folder called lib, there's called extension, and just put your JMeter plugin manager jar here and restart your JMeter. Once you do that, you will be able to see this plugin manager into your options menu. Alright, so this is it for this video. If you like the video, hit on the like button, and thank you for watching.